Is Bioaqua Acne Cleanser a miracle worker, or just another skincare fantasy? Let's find out. First, we're diving deep into the ingredients. We'll break down each component to see if they actually target acne or are just filler. Many advertise that the cleanser contains ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil. These are known acne fighters, but the concentration is what matters. A low concentration means barely any effect. Next, we're dissecting customer reviews. Real users, real experiences. Are people seeing results, or are they just experiencing irritation? Pay attention to the details in the reviews. Do people describe reduced acne, less oil, or just a placebo effect? Are there mentions of allergic reactions? We'll compare Bioaqua to other popular acne cleansers to see where it stacks up in terms of price, key ingredients, and overall user satisfaction. Is it really the best bang for your buck? We need proof, if possible. We'll look at before and after photos, keeping in mind that results vary from person to person and authenticity is key. We'll analyze packaging and marketing claims. Are they overpromising? Are they transparent about the ingredients and potential side effects? After careful consideration of the ingredients, reviews, comparison, and claims, it's time for the verdict. Is Bioaqua Acne Cleanser a legit acne solution, or a skincare scam? The answer might surprise you. Don't forget to let me know your experience with Bioaqua Cleanser in the comments below. Stay tuned for more skincare investigations.